In this video I will be showing you how to draw a parallel line, but we need to have the parallel line. In order to draw the line parallel, therefore I will mark 3 points on this line. But I also need to cut arcs with radius equal to the distance away of the required parallel line. Finally, I will complete the drawing. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can always message me whenever you are having a question or an assignment, and immediately, I will send a video of the solution to you for free.